Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to transfer your file photos from one phone to another phone. Now first of all select the photos which you want to share with another person or another mobile. So I am going to select this photo. Now select option send. Here as you can see there are many options. Scroll down. Here you can see a quick share option. Now go to quick share. Now allow all permission required, turn on device location, turn on Bluetooth. Now as you can see the application is looking for nearby devices. Now in another phone which you want to receive a photos, start the quick share option. Here is a quick share. Now give or require permission, turn on Bluetooth, ready to receive. As you can see, it is looking for nearby devices. As you can see here, the phone names which I want to send photos is shown in this tab. So I am simply touch it and it start to looking the device. As you can see here, in which phone you want to receive, it show sender's phone name and it require your permission, so simply accept it. Or you can see you receive the photos which you send from sender's phone in your phone. So simply it is collect in your gallery. Now see, as you can see, photo which you receive is simply you can show in your album. As in the other albums in quick share, here you can see it, the photo which I received from another phone. So it is simply to receive one phone. So it is simple to receive the photo from one phone to another phone. Now how to transfer files from one phone to another phone? For that, here easily select the file you want to send to another phone. Here I select this folder, select this PDF and send it. Here you can see quick share option, just select it. Here as you can see there is clearly visible phone names which we want to send, so just select it and it is ready to looking for the device. And on received phone you can see it require a permission to accept the file which you send from the sender's phone, so just accept it. Here I am accepting this file. So it is 1.4 MB and it is quick, so we can see it easily transfer in our receiver's phone. And so you can see that file also on your mobile folder also. Just go on file manager and see the files on document. Here you can see the file we want to receive on our new phone. So this is it. This is the easiest way to transfer your phone photos or document to one phone to another phone. If you like this video, if this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful technical tips. Thanks you for watching.